Welcome to our channel, We Got to Grow Gardening and PEI. My name is Vanessa, and today we are going to be talking about why we are growing 5 veggies in our hydroponic system. We are going to be growing spinach, lettuce, kale, Swiss chard, and small dwarf snap peas in our hydroponic system. All these have several different advantages and make them ideal choices for both beginners and experienced growers alike for your hydroponic system. Number 1 is really fast growth. These leafy greens are known for their rapid growth rates and allow continuous harvest throughout their growing season. Grow faster than in soil due to the direct access to water, oxygen, and other nutrients. Number 2 reason is simple nutrient requirements. Spinach, kale, peas, and Swiss chard have relatively straightforward nutrient requirements, making them well suited for hydroponic systems. This allows a balanced nutrient solution containing essential elements such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and also potassium. Number 3 reason why we're growing these in our hydroponic system is they give us high yields in a limited amount of space. Hydroponic systems set up the maximum amount of space utilization, and this allows us to grow more plants in a smaller amount of space compared to traditional soil-based gardening, which we can't do right now because we're buried under a bunch of snow. So here we are, we're doing our hydroponics. These plants, they can thrive in dense planted environments, which is also true whenever you grow them outside. However, these are great candidates for vertical hydroponic systems like ours, or compact setups such as NTF or DWC. Number 4 reason why we are growing these 5 favorite veggies in our hydroponic system is they are really minimal maintenance. Our hydroponic system requires less maintenance than traditional soil gardens, and with proper pH and nutrient monitoring, along with adequate water, circulation, and oxygen, you can create an optimal environment for your plant's roots to grow. Additionally, hydroponic systems reduces the amount of soil-borne pests and diseases that further simplify maintenance and tasks. Number 5 is continuing harvest. One of the greatest benefits of growing spinach, kale, lettuce, and Swiss chard, and also peas, is that you're able to keep harvesting them by removing the outer leaves of your plants or just snapping off the peas, and that triggers a signal to the roots to keep sending more leafy greens out or more pea shoots out. By harvesting the outer leaves, you can cut the stems, and it allows you to have fresh salad greens or smoothies or use them in your cooking. My favorite 5 hydroponic veggies are spinach, lettuce, kale, peas, and also Swiss chard. They all are excellent choices for you to grow in your hydroponic system due to their simple growth, simple nutrients requirements, and high yield values. One way that we are going to be using our waste from our fish tank is by supplying it to the water for our hydroponic plants. So by introducing the water from our goldfish, we are able to use it as a holistic approach to sustainable food production and without the extra inputs from other chemicals that are not necessarily what we want to be eating in our leafy greens. So whether home gardener or commercial production, using aquaponics in your garden system is a great way to create a symbiotic relationship in your household veggie growing garden. Thank you for watching our videos at We Gots to Grow. Like and subscribe to watch more videos just like this one. Have a great day, you guys.